This is the cheapest good quality mic you can buy. That's it.
खत्म. Bye bye. Tata. Goodbye.
Wait. I will tell you more about it. This is Boya BY-M1. It costs around 799 rupees. It is one of the most used and most recommended microphones for beginners. Currently, I use this guy, the Blue Snowball Ice. The sound quality I get from the Blue Snowball is already really good. But my problem with the Blue Snowball is that whenever I want to shoot videos like this or maybe shoot outside, I am unable to use it. Because A, it requires a laptop to record the audio, and being larger in size, this mic takes up lots of efforts to set it up according to my video. That's why I bought the Boya BY-M1. I can easily plug it in my camera or in my phone, and it doesn't take any space in my frame also. First, let's see what things you get inside the box. Inside the box there is this sweet leather pouch which contains all the things. A pin is provided for connection to preamp or digital to analog converter. Then there is the mic itself. I really like the leather pouch with Boya branding on it. It will help carrying the mic easily. Let's check the mic. As you can see, it has been provided with pretty long cable, that is around 6 meters. At one end there is a clip to attach the mic with shirt. Then there is this drum-like metallic structure which houses the battery to power the mic when it is connected to a camera. It has a switch to switch between camera and smartphone mode. In smartphone mode, it does not require the battery power. It can take power from the phone. I think this long cable is going to be a hard task to manage. These are the things basically you get in the box. Now let's discuss the sound quality produced by the Boya BY-M1. This whole video is being recorded with the Boya mic if you want to hear the sound test. To compare it with a reference, I tried recording audio with my old mic and the Boya BY-M1. To hear the samples, put on the earphones. Hello guys, this is a mic test and currently I am recording my audio with the Boya BY-M1. Hello guys, this is another mic test and currently I am using the Blue Snowball Ice. As you can see, there is slight difference between the audio quality from both the mics. I feel that the sound from Blue Snowball Ice is a little more dynamic than the Boya mic. The sound from Boya feels little on the flatter side, as there is difference in their prices. Blue Snowball costs around 4,000 rupees. But as a beginner, if you want to improve sound quality of your videos or conference calls from just inbuilt mics, then this mic is made for you at just 800 rupees. So that's all for today's video. If you find my videos interesting, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, mention them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this one and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.